Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a freebie download on MailerLite. This is an essential automation for anyone looking to offer lead magnets or downloadable resources to their subscribers, and it's simpler than you might think. First, head over to MailerLite.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your dashboard and start setting up your automation. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Automations. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating automated workflows that save you time and deliver content seamlessly to your audience. After clicking on Automations, you'll see an option to create new automation. Go ahead and click on that. MailerLite will present you with several templates and options, but for this tutorial, we want full control over our setup, so click on Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to build exactly what you need. Next, you'll be prompted to input an automation name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this workflow later, like freebie download automation, or whatever makes sense for your specific lead magnet. Once you've typed in your name, click Start Building. At this point, the automation builder will begin to load, so give it a moment to fully load before proceeding. Once the builder has loaded, you'll see the workspace where you can start adding triggers and actions. On the left side of your screen, look for and click on Join Groups. This will serve as your trigger, meaning it's the event that kicks off the entire automation whenever someone joins a specific group in your MailerLite account. After selecting Join Groups, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you need to select which group will trigger this automation. Choose the group that subscribers will join when they opt in for your freebie, then click Save. This ensures that only the right people receive your download link. Now you'll see your trigger set up in the workflow. To add the next step, click the plus icon that appears below your trigger. This allows you to add another action to your automation sequence. From the options on the left side, click on Webhook under the Actions section. Webhooks are powerful tools that allow MailerLite to communicate with external services or delivery systems for your freebie. On the right side, you'll now need to input the webhook URL and secret key. These details typically come from whatever service you're using to host your freebie file, whether that's a cloud storage service or a dedicated freebie delivery platform. Copy and paste these details carefully to ensure everything connects properly, then click Save. With your webhook configured, you're almost done. Head up to the top right corner of your screen and click Activate. This turns your automation live, meaning it will now run automatically whenever someone joins the group you specified earlier. And that's it. Your freebie download automation is now set up and ready to deliver your lead magnet to new subscribers automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.